Hello everyone, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to attach large file on Qwen AI. So you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Select your desired web browsing application. For me it's Google. Tap on it. On the Google search bar you have to type in Qwen AI and it will take you to this platform. On the home page of the Qwen AI, in the chat box you can see the option of clipboard. Tap on it and it will direct you to the iCloud drive or your files. Navigate to the location of your last file within the File app. Tap on the file to select and attach it to your message. If your file exceeds the app size limitation, consider compressing it. Now you can see your message has been attached in the chat box. So attaching large file on Qwen AI using your iPhone is straightforward. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.